welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryan. Of course, today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is called Going At It of my favorite singer, Chris Brown. Alright, so let's start. Alright, so this is very basic. So let's start. So from here we're gonna go from the back first, go in front. Start with the right, 6, 7, and 1 and 2. This is 1 and 2. Right, left, close. Right, 7, and right, left, close. Yes, then to the right, 3, and lift your left, 4. Let's go on, side, 5 and 6. Roll to the front, 7 and 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, and. So in 3, and your weight is on your right foot. 3 and 4. Side, 5 and 6. Roll 7 and 8. Let's try faster this time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By the way, for this one, you can open your hand or close. It doesn't matter, okay? As long as you do that. Right? This is not competition, so you can decide close or open. So 5, 6, then 7, 8. Alright, next 7, 8. Step your left to the front. 1 and 2. So every time you step your left foot, your head will follow. This leg is like connected to your legs, your foot. 7 and go 1 and 2. Chest pop, going up diagonal twice. 3 and close down on 4. Open on 5, shoulder twice, and 6. You can lift 6, 7, 8, like ninja. Right at the back, 7, 8. Let's try it. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Chest, 3, and. This is not this is not flat like this. It's diagonal up. 3 and 4. Open on 5 and 6, 7. Ninja. That's like, what's the meaning? There's something lyric, something quiet. Yes. I'm not sure, but I heard like quiet. Let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Roll 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I forgot. And 6, 7. Quiet. Good job. Next. So from here, double 1, close 2, close on 3. What's my knee? And 4. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, quiet, ninja. Go 1 and 2. For all that, your hands stay at your back, your right hand. 7 and 1 and 2. Close and 4. Just simple turn around. 5, 6, 7, low. Good job. One more time. Quiet and go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The reason why your hand is on your back all the way 3 and 4, you're gonna go look like this, like you're gonna fight. So 7 and boom, turn 7, 8. Okay, let's go on. So from here, simply bang your head. 1, point up, 2, point up. So it goes like this. 7 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Good. So from here we're gonna both change. Left going to the front. 4. We'll change 5, 6, and 7. Slowly. 8, 1. And 2. Alright, we're gonna take time to that one. It's a little bit confusing. So 7, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, ball change. Down, don't, make sure it's out, your knee is facing out. 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, close on 2. Remember, close on 2, no matter what. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and wow, 7, 8, 1, 2, chest and 4, open shoulder, 7, quiet, ninja 2, 3 and 4, it's okay, 6, 7, here we go, bounce 1, up, 2, ball change and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, yes, good job, next, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay? Then you're gonna go shoulder, 3, 4, back, 5 and 6, kick, 7 and 8. Until there. Thank you. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, shoulder, 4. Just like in 7 and then 3, 4, kick, 5. My voice cracked. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Simple as that. 3, 4, kick, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, then we're gonna do nay. 7, 8 step with the right, left, stop, and bounce back. Just like that. 6, 7, and down. Nay, hit, down, tap. You can use your hand. Okay? Good job. Let's start from the beginning. All of it. So 5, 6, up 5, 6, 7, slowly 1, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, sorry, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, ball change, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick and go, 7, nay, 1, 2, stop, and 5, 6, 7, yes! Good job! Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that I made today. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like on my videos. Alright, if you want to see more dance tutorial, choreography dance, contemporary, sexy, and some stupid vlogs of mine, you can go to the playlist and you can see a lot of video there. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.